Welcome to the Clausion Consolidation What's New demo. In this video, let us look at the new features added for version 24.2 that include ESG Solution, additional dimension support and multiplication as currency conversion method, favorites in web client, Clausion Dynamic Reporting Data function. Let's start with ESG Solution. Clausion's ESG Solution allows the collection, aggregation, and reporting of environmental, social, and governance data presented in different measurement units related to, for example, emissions, personnel, pollution, or energy consumption. All this is done efficiently using the consolidation functionalities of the software. In the Unit Management section under Basic Settings, select the new drop-down menu Measurement System for ESG. It has two options: SI International System of Units, Metric, and U.S. Customary System for Dimension 00. This setting is used when metric system conversion option is selected for an account and a metric conversion rule is defined. For more information, see Automatic Entries and Metric Conversions where conversion options are defined. The default value for all units is SI International System of Units, Metric, which applies to all reporting hierarchies in Dimension 00. The setting can be changed yearly. In Account Management, now a new conversion option is added under Currency Conversion called Metric System. Select this conversion option if you want to convert data from one measurement unit to another. With the selection, account types are automatically limited to scaling and cumulative. For the ESG solution, the metric conversion table is also added under Automatic Entries to manage conversion rules when converting data from one measurement to another. The metric conversion table is a custom sheet that contains two tabs: Conversion Rule and Linked Accounts. On the Conversion Rule tab, you can manage the conversion rules. Select Insert and Row from the drop-down menu to add a conversion rule. Select the conversion type. Your options are unit-to-unit or US to SI conversion. When you select the unit-to-unit conversion, the data is always converted. For example, you could convert flight kilometers to CO2 equivalent emissions. When you select US to SI, data from a unit that uses the US Customary System as the metric system for Dimension 00 is converted. The use case for this is, for example, if there is a US-based subsidiary whose flight miles are converted to flight kilometers. In addition to the conversion type, fill in also item type and conversion method, which can be defined either as multiplication or division. After configuring the fields, select Save. The system creates an ID for the conversion rule. The system also sets the conversion value to 1 by default if left undefined. When you want to delete a rule, simply add a letter X to the deleting rule column on that specific row. Select Save. The rule is deleted. When you want to add an account to the conversion rule, go to the Linked Accounts tab, select Insert, and select Row on the drop-down menu. Add an account number to the account column. Then go back to the Conversion Rule tab and copy the item type of the conversion rule. Paste the item type on the Item Type column on the Linked Accounts tab. Select Save to save changes. If you add a rule to an account that includes an identical item type as another, you receive a validation message and must change the item type to a unique one. Let's move on to additional dimension support and multiplication as currency conversion method. In Clausion, there are new versions of basic input and report templates, which support an additional dimension for reporting in accordance with IFRS or local accounting standards. You can access these templates as an administrator. You can also use these new template versions if you need to use multiplication as your currency conversion method. Up next is Favorites in Web Client. You can now save regularly used input templates and reports as favorites in Web Client. On the Web Client landing page, select View menu to see the favorites list. On the view, you can search for favorites. You can also edit, delete, or open a favorite from the icons on the right side. You can open a favorite also by clicking its name. When you want to save a task or a template as favorite, go to its definition view, click Favorites, and select Save to Favorites. Save to Favorites saves the task or template as new to favorites. Save selection saves changes made to an already existing favorite. Finally, Clausion Dynamic Reporting Data function. With Clausion Dynamic Reporting add-on for Excel, you can now retrieve data with a DR data function by setting unit currency, group currency, or other specific currency as the currency parameter value. In this report example, the formula includes cell references to the values on the heading rows. Therefore, changing currency value is reflected on all DR data formulas simultaneously. Select Refresh to update the data. You can also use the Insert DR function selection to change the currency value. You can utilize unit and group values also with data in other forms than currency, for example, when retrieving data for ESG reporting. There you have it, the new features of Clausion 24.2. Please share your thoughts and suggestions with us via this email. Additionally, for more information, access the Insight software product documentation using the link provided in the description.